Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a recipe video because I've been sharing some of my recipes on Instagram, and a few of you have been asking for the recipes for whatever I made for lunch and for dinner, so I thought I'd do that in this video. So today I'm gonna be doing like a pita pocket with chicken and pico de gallo, which is I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's a Mexican like salsa kind of thing, and I use that to act as like the refresher or like the salad in my meal or in our meal. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go through the ingredients that we need. First up, we are gonna use I'm using a pita, like a pita pocket, pita bread kind of thing. So you can choose to put it in a wrap, you can have it with bread, you can just eat it with whatever you want, but my family actually prefers to eat it with pita bread. So this is the one that we get, Mission Wholemeal ones, and this smells really good when you toast it in the oven. For the pico de gallo, so please forgive me, I'll put like the actual name or like the origins of it on the screen, but from what I know, it's like something like a salsa. I got this recipe from It's Judy's Life and Benji on YouTube, so I modified it to suit my Asian taste. And basically it's just garlic and a bunch of tomatoes and lime and coriander. I know a lot of people don't really like coriander, but my family loves coriander and I love coriander. And my Asian twist actually is just chili padi. They use like jalapenos, but for us it's just chili padi. So I have two here because I don't want to make it too spicy. And then we also have a side of salad. So I will always like when I'm constructing the pita, right, it will always be salad, and then I'll put the chicken, the protein, which is the chicken, which I'll show later, and then we'll top it off with the pico de gallo, and if I want, we can add in, or if we want, we can use a salad dressing on top, which I have as well. So this is my salad dressing. This is a cilantro, Greek yogurt and lime dressing, which I got the recipe off TikTok. And then this is my chicken breast for the day. I've actually already pre-marinated it last night. This is a chili lime marinade, so I will put the ingredients to make this marinade like in the description, but basically it's lime, chili powder, garlic powder, paprika, and yeah, that's all I think, and salt and pepper. It's a very tangy taste. I really like this, and my mom loves this marinade as well. I do this for salmon also. So now I'm going to, this recipe is actually really simple because there's a lot of fresh ingredients, so I don't really have to cook that much. The only thing that I'm actually cooking is just the chicken, and then everything else is just like chopping and just assembling the whole thing. Alright, first I'm going to start pan frying the chicken. I'm lowering the heat so that it cooks through and not just crispy on the outside. Alright, so now while the chicken is cooking, I am going to start chopping up the ingredients for the pico de gallo. And let's start. So you're going to dice up the tomatoes into, dice up lah. Alright, so I have taken out the chicken from the pan and now I'm just gonna let it cool while I finish up the rest of my Pico de Gallo. Okay, now that I'm done with my tomatoes, I think I chopped like 6 to 8 tomatoes because my family really loves them. Now we're gonna cut and chop the rest of the other ingredients. I have 2 limes here, but I feel like I need a little bit more lime, so I'm probably gonna get one more. And yeah, it's just a whole lot of chopping from now on. I'm just gonna share with you guys the steps that I take to create this Pico de Gallo. The lime. I'll start with 2 first, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna do this TikTok hack. Use the tong and you just squeeze the lime. You cannot see my coriander so lol. Now for the garlic. You can use this. This is minced garlic. It's a little bit expensive, but it saves you the hassle of chopping your own garlic. Which we also need to get like a chopper. Which we do have a chopper. Actually, why did I not use a chopper? Never mind.
Hi guys. Hi.
You can use a mixture of like minced garlic like the one in the bottle I show you, and like your own chopped garlic. I kind of like mixing it because I feel that like there's nothing better than fresh minced garlic, if you get what I mean. So probably like do a bit of this. Then after that, we're just gonna season with salt and pepper. I'll start with this one first, pepper, spoon, and I'll just toss. I'll mix. I'm gonna cling wrap this bowl and I'm gonna put it inside the fridge for it to like cool down and get all of the flavors and everything. And then we're going to, start prepping and assembling. While that's cooling down, we're gonna start assembling everything else for the pita pocket. So let's do that. So we got our chicken, we got our pita. I took out the salsa from the fridge and it's really cool now. And this was the mixed salad. So I always like to buy mixed salads because they're just easier to deal with. So let's assemble it. And I'm gonna like make a cut like right here. Ta-da! So that's your pocket. So what I like to do is I take my greens and I just take a couple of pieces and I stuff it in. So this is the pocket. So just stuff your veggie in and then put your chicken inside. That, and then you top it off with the salsa, which I also forget to take. It's going to be very watery because tomatoes have a lot of like water in them. Oops. So just fill up your pita just like that, and it will look like this. Ta-da! So that's why you call it a pita pocket. So now it's done. You can just eat it. Here's your lunch.
Yay! Don't touch my food.
Quickly, before my thing die. Bismillah.
Not so.
Nice or not? Alright guys, guys, so my battery is about to die, so I hope you guys found this video helpful, and let me know if you try this recipe. And yeah, that's all. My battery is gonna die, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Bye.